Uy. So our first activity is to color my body parts. So first, so where is your head? Asa mong head? What is the color? This is your head. This one is your entire head.
Yes.
But this one, what is this?
That's my hair.
Your-
That's my hair.
Your hair, what color is it?
It's black.
Okay, can you color it black, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the black.
Okay, let's color it black.
Why?
Okay.
The black is super engine. Mama,
Ah, sige, Mia.
Mama, the black is super engine.
The black is super engine.
Yeah. Super engine. This is super weird. Mama,
Okay.
Mama, this head super weird
Why it's weird?
because mommy's away me.
Mommy's away you?
Yeah.
Kaaway mama ko. Mami ko. Gusto kapag away mami. That's enough. Thank you so much. Okay.
That's
Tagak na. Ayun na, pick up. Later na. Mama rin pick up na.
Really weird.
No, it's not. Okay. So the next one is your eye. Boy.
My eye.
Yeah, where is your eye? Okay, very good. Now let's color your eye. What is the color of your eye?
Is that and white?
Yes, very good. Okay, for now, what color is this? What color is this? This one.
That's black.
Oh, na may black. Let's just color it white. Ang surrounding. Okay? Okay. Where's color white? Where is color white? Okay.
That's the white.
Okay. Can you please color the eye white? The eyes?
This is super weird.
It's not. Finish na. Other one. Okay. Good
No,
job.
Black is eyes.
Okay. Okay. Good job, Anna.
Yes, that's me.
Yes. Next one, kay man naman ta sa eye. Let's move on to the ear. Where is your ear? Ears. Where are the ears? Yes, very good. What's the color of your ears?
Is black.
Black. It's color. Kani black man eh. What color is the ears?
Is
It's
it's
brown. Brown.
brown?
Brown.
Brown.
It's color brown.
Where's the brown?
Where's the color brown?
Here.
Okay, good job.
That's brown.
Yes. Okay. Is it the same color? Yes. Sige, color ang brown. Okay. Okay, good job, anak. Good
The
job.
brown.
Yes, it's color
Super,
brown.
super funny face.
Okay, next one.
What
Next one is
is
mouth. Where is your mouth? Very good. Good job. What is the color sa imong mouth? What color? Color? How ang lips naman?
is pink?
Very good. Color pink. Can we find pink here? May pink.
Did it.
Okay. Very good. It's color red. But it's moray kuan. Doon na color. It's okay. It's okay. Sige, color. Yung color. Ayaw, sa mo lips. There is a paper. Okay.
So,
Sige, color.
that's my mouth.
Yes.
No, that's my
Tama
pink.
nga, oy. Okay, kalas. Good job. Done, done. Uy, nangatagak ng tabon sa ato ang color. Okay. We are done with the head, the eye, the ear, and the mouth. Now, the next one is your arm. Where is your arm? Very good.
Sorry, I'm stronger.
Strong arms. Yes, very good. Unsay color sa imong arm? Unsay color sa arm?
Is
Color
pink.
pink.
Look, my pink in my hand.
Sa imong nang unsay color ani arm ni mama?
Is brown.
Brown. Yes. Can you please get the brown?
Yes, that's my brown.
Okay, good job.
That's my brown.
Okay. Uy, where? Where is the arm?
Here,
Okay.
that's my brown now.
Tarong nga. Dila pa sa black. Okay. Good job. The other one. The other arm.
No.
Ay, sa? Di pa na arm. What is this?
What? It's the same thing.
This is what? This is?
It's brown.
Okay, that is color brown. Okay. Now, we'll move on to the hand. What? Where is your hand? Yes. Good job. What is this?
It's that same.
It's the hand. Okay. Ay, color ang hand ni mama. Dito sa paper. I-color ang hand sa boy. Color ang hand sa boy. Taro nga, anak. Oh.
The heart of my
Ayaw i-gawa sa imuhang kuan sa the outline sa hand. Oh, this one. Okay. Ayaw i-gawa sa black. Ang color. Okay. Okay, good job.
Ma.
Yes.
Cellphone.
Oy, wala pa ta na finish.
Wala.
Not yet. Okay, next one. We're finished with the hand.
Mama, ito sa my body, talaga naman ako ang cellphone ko.
Okay. Next one. Where is the leg? This is leg. Asang leg? Ito asang good job. Dara ang leg. Okay. What is the color of your leg?
It's brown.
Color brown. Okay. Can you please color it brown? The leg here. Sa paper. Asang leg diha sa paper? Okay. Sige, color.
That's it.
Leg. Leg ra. Leg. 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 Oh. Diha ra ang leg.
It's the same thing.
The other. Taro nga. Dili ta magdali-dali.
Mama,
Mm.
suko ka?
Wala ko na suko. Nag-talk na si mama.
Mama, hindi na pa.
Wala ko na ang...
Mama, mama,
Yes.
mama,
Yes.
mo ko laway.
Wala. Awayo ng baby ko. Okay na. Okay na. Okay.
That's our face.
Okay.
Who's carried the face?
We're done with the head, with the ear, with the eye, mouth, arm.
Ah, face the eye.
Oh, ang face mo na siya. Ang face. Wala may face dari anak. Wala man ang face. Ato lang follow sa na dari. Karon, where is the foot? Where is your foot? Where is your foot? Okay. What is the color of your foot?
It's brown.
Color brown. But, ang kani siya, nagsuot man siya shoes. Where is the foot there? Asa man dapita diha? Itudlo ah. Itudlo ah. Okay. Nya, nagwear man siya og? Nagwear og?
Shoes.
Okay. Color the shoes.
It's so
What color you want to color the shoes?
black.
Black?
Black orange and brown.
Ayaw. Gusto man yung ganahan ka mag-black sa shoes? What's your favorite color?
It's brown.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue, right. Can you just color it blue?
Yeah, that's my blue.
Yeah, because your favorite color is blue. Sige, color ako. Okay, the other shoe.
Hey, that's weird. Lapas.
Mama lang ipapat. Sige lang, continue lang. Ipagawa sa black.
Sorry.
It's okay. That's fine. Okay, good job! Recap ka.
Mama,
Mm.
come on, Annie. Ang cellphone ko.
Yes. Yes, pero magbabat sa ta, magbabat, napatay, daghan activities. Okay, so where is the head? Asa diri ang head? Asa ang head diha? Okay, where is the ear? Okay, where is the eye? Very good. Where is the mouth? Very good. Where's the arm? Okay, where's the hand? Okay, where's the leg? Leg. Okay, very good. Where's the foot? Good job! Yay!
Ma, anak ko?
Wala pa.